Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a table. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a table in Lucidchart is a bit different from traditional word processing software that you may be familiar, but it's kind of like relatively simple and similar to that extent. You can create a table using shapes, text boxes, or even a grid system. All right, so once you are here inside your account in Lucidchart, I want you to click the plus button wherein we can start to create from template, or a blank document wherein we can put a diagram and creating a table. Now I'm going to add more elements here like an images, for example. And then I'm going to create tables at the side. All right. Now for us to be able to do that, you can go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the shapes, because here we can create a swim lane right here. All right. So if we hover down here, we can extend this to this. Kind of like this is going to be the table right here. You can add a simple option here. There's going to be another way for you to all right, so let me undo that for now. So these are going to be the tables right here. All right, and of course you can put in like a small flow chart here. All right, you can maximize this all the way up here. All right, put it inside here. So basically this is one of the easiest way for you to create a simple table, right? And you can put in some text inside of it. For example, I wanted to put a text here like, you can obviously change the font size into this. Basically, that's how you can create a table kind of effect here in Lucidchart. All right, using the shapes to create your table cells, on using the swim lanes, and of course you have to add borders between cells if necessary. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.